think about it too much, too much, too much, too much. There's no need for us to rush this through.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am April Sunny and it is box braid season, but I've chosen to do boho box braids and I wanted to show you what I'm using and how I'm using it. And yeah, so if that is something you'd like to see, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, share if you care, and let's get started. To prep my hair, first wash I use the Olaplex shampoo. Second wash I use Kenya Moore. For my deep conditioner, because I didn't use a regular conditioner, I just went straight to my deep conditioner. The Shea Butter Manuka Honey. For my leave-ins, Pureology's leave-in conditioner. And to braid my hair down, I am using Jam. Okay, so I also picked up this BTL braiding gel. She does hold, however, it's very easy for this to get that white film. So definitely have something else that can, like, you know, combat that. As far as my scalp, I use almond oil to keep it nice and hydrated, nourished, and moisturized. For the length of my hair, I use good old-fashioned pink lotion, honey, and then I went over that with some coconut oil. So the hair that I'm using to box braid is the Sensational Pre-Stretched Hair. It's in 24 inches and it comes 3 in a pack. I bought 3 packs of this and I've already gone through 2. This is in the color 1B. I know you guys have seen this in your hair store. And then for the little curlies that I'm putting throughout my hair, so I basically cut the wig I received from Love Muse, and this is all I have left, and this is going on this side. So yeah, as you can see, I went ham on this wig. Of course, if you do not have a wig you would want to use, or you don't have a wig at all, you can go by your local beauty supply store, pick up some human hair, cut the hair off the weft, just like that, separate it, and you can do the boho braids the exact same way. So go pick up any curl pattern you like. So let's get started. For my little sideburns, I'm definitely not using the braiding hair. So what you see me using to part my hair, the gel I'm just using the Jam because I felt the BTL braiding gel, it just left too much of a film. My hair was too sticky, too tacked down. It just wasn't for me, girl. So I just used the Jam. All right, so avoid tension on this hair here. I'm literally just gonna use the human hair, because I find when I use like a heavier, like the braiding hair, it pulls on this and it just, I end up with like the follicle coming out. I don't know. I don't like it. So I'm just literally using the human hair on this portion. And actually this is the only portion that I'm doing that in. So I'm just separating it. Can y'all see that? I'm bending it where there's a long piece and then a short piece. I normally slide my finger down the center of my hair. This is one piece, the hair I separated is one piece, and then the hair and my hair is one piece. I hope that makes sense. And then I just start braiding it. Do one, add another. Now's a good time to pull a piece out since I've added a piece. And then add another piece. Okay, now here we can pull another piece out. I hope this is all making sense to you guys. So once I get to a certain point where I know that I am way past my hair, I am going to take just some nail glue and do a small little dollop on the end there so it doesn't unravel. That's that. Moving on. If you see, there's like 4 inches, maybe 3.5 inches of hair I just pull it down because you see these little short pieces? Like, what am I gonna do with that? This is literally gonna be a box braid, you guys. Literally. Like, I'm not doing anything special. Okay, and because this is on my edge, I don't want too much braiding hair. The more braiding hair you use, the heavier the hair is gonna be. So we don't want heavy hair over here. Okay, now that I've gone down a couple, I'm gonna go ahead and add some hair. I braided it in half with the shorter piece and then the longer piece. And then I put the shorter piece down further. So literally, if you were to pull this, it's not sliding out at all. These are boho braids, so they are definitely supposed to be effortlessly beautiful, right? So not all of the braids have human hair at the end. Literally, they're just like straight. So I'll show you guys. And I look like this because after I'm done braiding my hair, I am going to the gym. The ones that I am putting the human hair on, I'm literally just cutting off the last maybe 3 or 4 inches of the braiding hair. You don't have to do this. This is just something I'm doing. And then taking some of the human hair and adding it to the end here. You're gonna reach a point where it's hard to, you know, braid those blunt ends, but I normally just twisty, 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 take my glue, dollop it close to the ends of the hair, and kind of smooth it down. And there you have it. Now, this one, I don't want to do the exact same way as I did the last one. So this one is only going to have the human hair at the end. I know someone's going to ask me how long it took. I started braiding my hair yesterday at 9:30 in the morning, and I stopped braiding my hair at 9 at night. I sectioned my hair off in 4s. So I got these 3 sections done, and I left this one out to do with you guys. But keep in mind, I did stop to eat breakfast, eat lunch, eat a snack, feed the dog. I did it very, very leisurely. So it did take me all day, and I'm up this morning to finish. I'm not gonna dip these in hot water. I don't feel like I need to. I did one with just the human hair. I did one with 2 at the top, 1 at the bottom, 1 with the human hair just at the bottom, and 1 with the human hair pulled out twice mid-shaft. So that is how I'm doing it. Now, when I go to this one, I'm gonna start with this middle one. So this one is not gonna have any hair. Everyone want to make like braiding their hair is so quick and easy. It's not quick. It's not easy. My hands feel like this. My back is stiff. Like, girl.
Oh yeah, I just did it myself. Oh girl, it was nothing.
Yes, it was. If I had somebody I felt comfortable going to braid my hair, I would go. But I went to a braiding shop downtown. It was a guy named Blue. He owned the salon. He had blonde hair and blue contacts in, and they call him Blue. Now, mind you, I got 8 cornrows, y'all. 8. Just to run down to the beach for the weekend. I didn't feel like braiding it myself, so I paid them to do it. It literally took them, I got there at like 9. I didn't get out of there until 11 o'clock for 8 cornrows, y'all. So the guy started, so he ended up putting like 2 cornrows in, and then he stopped for lunch. Everybody in the braiding shop stopped for lunch. They just had like this big platter. Everybody just sat and like ate with their hands. Okay, your hands was just in my head. Hopefully I missed it, but I didn't see you wash your hands, but okay. They just went in and then looked at me like, you want some? I'm like, no, I just want my hair done. That's what I came and paid for. Like, ain't nobody got time for that. Sir, why does 8 cornrows, why is it giving me a headache? I don't know. Oh, we're done. Oh, thank you, Jesus, we're done. Since I'm just hitting up the gym, I just want to pull it out my face a little bit, actually. You guys, I try not to braid too tight, but sometimes tight regardless of what you try to do. All right, so this is how I'm living. Yeah. All right, you guys, I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until the next time, be well.
There's issues at hand and we're not discussing. Done saying, we just friends now. Got me feeling pinned down.
You told